YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed today. We are going to cover a whole lot of Toshi. But before we do that, guys, I just got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Just talk about the market, just talk about crypto, and I just talk about what's trending. Today, again, we're going to talk about some Toshi Coin, so get ready. But before we do that, we got to talk about the market too. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at $3.1 trillion. Market just absolutely plunging today with Bitcoin dropping all the way down to 94. We were concerned that if we could not hold that support, right? If we could not hold that support at 96, that we were going to drop down. I was telling you guys how important it was that we broke up above that 97 range to that 98. That was really the euphoria that we needed in the market. And now, guys, it looks like we're consolidating down. But how long are we going to consolidate down? How much sell-off are we going to see? Let's talk about it today. Also, we're going to talk about some Toshi again. So just hang tight. But as you guys could see, Bitcoin coming in again, like we said, at 94,000. Our fear greed index coming in a 98, and the market just absolutely plunging. Not just Bitcoin, guys. It's a lot of coins, guys. A lot of coins. And of course, that's what's going to happen on a Bitcoin dip. It's going to drag the market, right? Bitcoin has 60% dominance right now over the market, and it's dropping, right? Solana getting absolutely wrecked. Everybody's making a humongous deal about Solana, down 8% right now. It's totally crazy. It's like Armageddon. Everybody's frigging out, right? Every time that we have a little correction, everybody's frigging out. People selling for loss. Not the best idea. I definitely don't recommend selling for losses. I recommend patience. Sometimes patience pays off, guys. But again, do whatever you want. It's your money. I'm not telling you what to buy, what not to buy. But as you guys can see, Bitcoin is coming in at 94 today. Seeing some volatility, right? We did talk about the fact that it did need to see that breakout, that we do usually have fake outs early in the week, right? Usually I say we have fake outs early in the week around Monday. Usually we have fake outs, and then real price action happens on a Thursday. Well, look, we had a fake out on a Monday, and then on a Thursday we were creating this bear flag, and we started breaking down off the bear flag on Thursday, bled all the way into the weekend. We were hoping that we would get some kind of support. It didn't happen. Didn't happen, guys. Coming in today at 94, and Bitcoin again looking not so good, right? Not so good on some of these long-term indicators. Definitely probably going to possibly see a retest of, for sure, some 92 ranges pretty soon if it does not pick up, right? Looking like it does want to break down. Definitely got to be concerned about this pattern it's making right now. We talked about this head shoulder that was making the other day. Also the bear flag, right? I was saying there's some bearish indicators on this 1 year map showing that we might see correction. And as you guys can see, now we're creating another possible, look, shoulder right here. This could be a break off right here, and this another bear flag just like we did just now. Also, we got a shoulder ahead and a shoulder forming right here. And again, just look, just a lot of indicators, guys, pointing that we could see some sell-off in the market. Also got this nasty McDonald's M forming now on the all-time chart, looking like we could see some correction. But we've seen this happen in the past, guys. Look, we ran up just like this, dropped down, and then absolutely slingshot up. And then we also created another bull flag right here, right? This is a flagpole. We create this flag, except we're consolidating down, creating some lower highs. We create this wedge, and then we absolutely slingshot. I was saying, like, every day, I feel like we're making a bull flag. I feel like we're making a bull flag. And this was so agonizing, bro. This literally went from like March all the way to August, So it was a lot of consolidation. During that time, there was just a lot of fear in the markets, a lot of altcoins getting jacked around, a lot of liquidity getting jacked around, and people were just tired of getting liquidated in the market. They were tired of getting liquidated, and that's what they want. They want you to get tired of getting liquidated so that they can start buying up their Bitcoin. This is what they do. They do this all the time. So again, I'm used to these pullbacks, especially early in the year. We talked about the fact that we usually see pullbacks in February, March. I was hoping we weren't going to break down all the way, but it does seem like we're probably going to break down all the way. I doubt we really find some support before we find a 92 range. And if that happens, it's probably just going to drag the market a little bit. But again, am I going to go start taking out shorts in the market? I'm really not. To me, it's more a time to be just accumulating projects that I like. I'm not really going to go sit out and take out some shorts. If you guys are short on the market, you guys can go take out shorts if you want to and stuff like that. You can trade shorts on Kraken and stuff like that if you're bearish on Bitcoin today. But again, I'm not using this time for that. I'm using this time to be accumulating coins that I want to buy, because again, how long can this really last, right? And first of all, they're jacking around that money so much that it's going to be really hard for people to make money, even if they are shorting the market. Even though some people will make a lot of money shorting the market, leverage trading, stuff like that. I just feel like it's a better time to just be buying stuff. Like every time we've been in this orange zone, it's been an amazing time to be accumulating projects. And even though, yeah, it lasts a little while sometimes, like look, we've dropped down to this orange zone, and in July over here, and then we drag it all the way out into really until October, right? And we start seeing a comeback. Really, the bottom was August though. So from July to August, we really saw the best zone of accumulation. Are we going to see something similar right now, where we're going to see Bitcoin drop down again into like a really good zone of accumulation, and then start seeing some more recovery over time? Again, how long this recovery is going to take, guys, I don't really know. Look, the last time we've seen recoveries from the top to the next top, that's what I'd be looking for, right? This top to this top. So you could see this was in December, and then this top over here was in February, but we started seeing a recovery really in late July, really. So we started seeing a lot of sell-off early in December, and then we started seeing a lot of what looked like a bottom down here in July. Bitcoin rally all the way up. By March, it was already making new all-time highs again. Are we going to see something similar happen to that? Or again, is it going to be a little more of a drowned out bear market, or what people would say? I don't think that this is a bear market. I think we're still definitely in a bull cycle right now, but we just are seeing a little bit of correction, a little consolidation. It's normal, guys. This is just how cryptocurrency goes. I know it's very common for people to buy in at the top and then to feel like it's game over. Things are going down. It hit 100K and that was it. Show's over. Like, guys, Bitcoin has a market cycle. It has always had a market cycle. We've been covering it since $3,000 on this channel, since Ethereum was like $300 on the channel. So I'm long on Bitcoin. How much it needs to dip? Again, if I have a couple months to accumulate, I don't know. I just look at it like that, guys. I just look at it like I have time to pick up some bags. So you guys can see Toshi Coin coming in at 276 million today, down a bit, right? Down almost 9% in the past 24 hours, seeing some big consolidation, right? And starting to break down off of some key ranges right now, really on these smaller minute intervals, because again, Bitcoin looking very not good, right? Toshi Coin starting, you could see it broke down off of this range right here, and then it had a retest of this bottom Keltner channel, and it just started dropping. And we talk about this on the channel, guys. What this means, it means it could be a slippery slope, especially with Bitcoin creating the pattern that it did. It's inevitable that the entire market is going to just absolutely bleed. As you guys could see, everything's taking a big hit, even Brett Coin down like 16%. And in my opinion, Toshi Coin is holding really well. Brett Coin is like way bigger in market cap and it's down like 20%. Toshi Coin is only down today like 8%. It shows me just that the coin is holding up well, even though there is a lot of fear in the market. Can we break down more? Honestly, guys, it's definitely a possibility. You guys can see we also dropped down off of this 4-hour also, but we do still have this Keltner channel. We can still close some of these candles positive, right? This candle has not yet closed, but at the same time, we're now trending underneath this Keltner channel, and that's just not where you want to be in the short term. It's a sign that we might see again maybe a rejection, right? We've seen it reject here off the 2-hour, but are we going to see a full print of red on this 4-hour? That could be indicator that we might need to see some more sell-off. And honestly, this thing could see a lot more sell-off if that does decide it wants to happen. In my opinion, that can happen if Bitcoin does decide it wants to drop down and rip lower down into that 92 range. You guys could see a lot of sell-off, a lot of fear now coming into the market. And even though we're coming in at like a 38 on the fear greed index today, I have a funny feeling that it's going to come in a little bit lower. As you guys could see, we could be creating another bear flag right now, right? We jumped up here, had this rejection, and then we created this bear flag, right? This flagpole here and this flag, same thing, but just upside down. A Nike check also, we call it the Nike check, right? Well, this is a bear flag, and you guys can see it's dropping down right now, creating this flagpole. And again, possible Nike check. We talk about that Nike check. We say just don't do it. Don't do it. That is a sign that, again, you might be catching a fallen knife. But at the same time, guys, I'm looking for bottoms. I'm looking for zones of accumulation. Right now, again, we do have a little support at 92.8. I think before we start breaking down off of some of these more bullish macro time intervals. Until then, we again might see some more consolidation. We might see some more sell-off. How much sell-off do we need to see? CZ said we might even see an $85,000 Bitcoin. What's going to happen if that's the case, guys? If we see an $85,000 Bitcoin, what can happen to the market? I'll tell you right now, a lot of these coins are going to get hit pretty hard. Tether's probably going to flip XRP again for number 3 for the short term, even though, again, I do think XRP is going to still be the number one, or the first coin to hit $1 trillion, the first altcoin to hit $1 trillion. I think XRP will. I think it will hit before Ethereum, even though there is talks of Ethereum ETF. We're talking about that. So we're covering all of it, guys. We're covering all of it. As well as, actually, guys, there's a huge release coming out on Binance. This project is very massive. It's a project that, again, a lot of people have been looking into, a lot of people have been looking for. So we're going to be covering that a bit too on the channel. And it's also a project that you're going to be able to mine right on your phone. So that's pretty cool. But this video ain't for that. This video is for Toshi Coin. As you guys can see, guys, Toshi Coin, in my opinion, holding on really well during this consolidation. We might see a little bit more price correction, but I'm long on Toshi, man. We got into Toshi very early. We've been talking about this project. It's not the first correction that it's had. It's not even the first equal size correction that it's had. So again, I'm long on this project, and again, we'll see kind of what happens. As you guys can see, it looks like we did have a rejection on this weekly chart too, which is not good. We want to see Toshi Coin really start rounding out and start closing some of these, close this weekly candle green. We don't want to close this weekly candle red. That would be not good. We might see a little bit of a stair stepper effect. But again, Toshi Coin listed on so many different exchanges, guys. I really think that this coin really could be the next Shiba Inu. I really do think it, guys. But again, that's just my perspective, just my point of view. If you guys think that Toshi Coin could be the next Shiba Inu, if you guys think that this could be that next coin that is taking over the space, let me know in the comment section below. Comment Toshi Squad by letting me know. And also, let's just check out their Twitter, right, guys? We've been watching their Twitter. We watch these guys grow consistently, like insanely fast. These guys have grown really fast. I think when we started following them, they had like 3,000 people following them, and now they have 104,000 people following Toshi right now. And as a matter of fact, guys, I made a poll on my YouTube channel, or on my Twitter, right? I made a poll on my Twitter, and look at the poll, guys. 222 votes right now. Turbo Coin kind of starting to pass Toshi a little bit on this poll, guys. We just created it yesterday, but we do still have some time left. So let's see if we could win this poll, guys. Can Toshi Coin win this poll? Let us know. Everybody who actually votes on this poll and puts a post saying done, they will get an invite to my Telegram. I have a Telegram, guys. It is a free resource for you guys. You get it. All you got to do is just engage in the channel. Super easy. So just comment Toshi Squad down below. Vote in this poll, and we will get you plugged into the Telegram. Also, if you guys are not yet plugged in to the Patreon, plug into the Patreon, guys. It's amazing. A lot of people getting signed up in the Patreon. We let you guys know about a lot of important things like airdrops and stuff like that. Free money that's available to you because you deserve it, guys. You deserve it. But again, Toshi Coin is one coin that I'm looking to pick up. In my opinion, this is free money to me, in my opinion. Like, I mean, even if this thing sells off and goes down lower, I'm just going to be buying it some more. I'm just going to be talking about it even more because, again, I like the project. And even if the market needs to see some sell off, I still think Toshi Coin is going to come roaring back in volume. There's just a lot of people holding this now. Almost 545,000 people holding this now. You know, just growing every day on Twitter. We're about to hit probably like 120,000 people probably by the end of this week. Today's only Tuesday. This thing has been growing that fast. So, in my opinion, it's just getting bigger. The cause is just getting bigger, and this is really kind of how these things started growing. I watched this grow with Shiba Inu at just 2,000 wallets, guys. SHIB was at just 2,000 wallets when we started talking about it on this channel, and now that thing has like over 2 million wallets. I think that Toshi Coin is going to see 1 million holders probably within the next couple of months, no matter what Bitcoin decides it wants to do, because right, Bitcoin's been, even though Bitcoin's been seeing this consolidation, more and more people have been picking up Toshi. And that's because, again, it's available on major exchanges like Coinbase. Now they have futures trading on Kraken as well. But what's going to happen when we start getting bigger exchanges too, right? We also have KuCoin, but what's going to happen when we start getting things like, I don't know, like Huobi or Binance? Maybe that's still possibly in the cards. We'll see what can happen with that. Again, a lot of speculation. CZ tweeting out some stuff as far as his little broccoli coin thing that he was talking about launching on Binance. But come on, that's to me, that's to drum up some excitement to list Toshi, because this coin just has too much volume. There's too many people that are trading it, and the point is to get as many people on your platform as possible. So, in my opinion, I feel like Toshi Coin can do some amazing things in 2024. And also, you could see, also this coin right here is a fake coin, just so you guys know that too. This is not real. They're not going to launch this on this chain. But anyway, guys, what do you guys think about Toshi Coin? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, we are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers on the channel. Each and every subscribe helps. We're trying to get to Colombia, guys. Once we get to 100,000, we're going to Colombia. So if you guys are watching Toshi Coin, we're going to keep watching it. Hit that subscribe button, tap in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.